Hey guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to upgrade your account on n8n AI automation. First, go to the admin panel on the left side of your screen. Once you're there, look for the upgrade plan option and click on it. You'll see different plans like starter, pro, and custom. You can also toggle between monthly and annual subscriptions to compare prices. Choose the plan that suits your best by clicking select plan. Wait a few seconds for the page to load, then proceed to payment. Enter your email and select your country, then click continue. Fill out your card details and hit subscribe. After your payment goes through, your account will be upgraded to premium status. Super easy. Guys, if the video helped, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching Guide with Samuel.